Vacation Bible School crafts. I cannot believe we've done 4 days of crafts already, and today is our last day, day number 5. So today we have a very special craft to remind us of our Bible point, which is God made you for a reason. That's right, wow, God made us for a reason. So today we're going to be making a fun Fruit Loop rainbow. And this is because God gave Noah a purpose. God made him for a reason, and so it helps remind us that we were made for a reason too. So follow along as I show you how to make this fun Fruit Loop rainbow craft. Alright guys, are you ready to start making our fun Fruit Loop craft? So what you're going to need today is you're going to need some fun colorful Fruit Loops. You're going to need a paper plate, some cotton balls, a fun marker, and then you're also going to need some glue to keep everything stuck together. So what I'm going to start out by doing is I've already pulled out some red Fruit Loops, and we are going to start gluing them down along the edge of the plate. So what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of glue around the edge. You can put enough glue so you can glue down several at a time. And we're just going to start by gluing on our Fruit Loops. And we're going to cover the upper half of the plate with Fruit Loops, just like this. So what I'm going to do is going to give you a closer view while I go ahead and start with red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, and then purple. So go ahead, watch along, follow along so you can learn how to make this portion of to forgo purple too, and that's totally okay. So what we're going to do next is, our Bible point for today is that God made you for a reason. And so what I'm going to do is, right in the middle, underneath the rainbow, I'm going to leave room for my clouds on the sides, so remember that, but I'm going to write, I have a purpose, to help remind me that God gave me a reason for being alive. And you know, you might not know what your purpose is yet, but God is going to help you to know what He will have you do in your life to bring glory to Him. So I'm just really quickly writing, I have a purpose. And if you guys want to write something else too in that space, you totally can. I just decided to do, I have a purpose. So right there, it says I have a purpose. It's background, right? It's backwards because I'm using selfie mode on my camera, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do next, and this is the final piece of our project, is I'm going to put some glue down for the cotton ball clouds. So just going to put glue, stick that there, another glue. And you can add as many clouds as you want. If you want to fill up the bottom a lot, you can do that. Or if you just want to add a couple of cotton balls, whatever looks right to you, whatever you want to do is perfect. Because once again, this is your creation. So I just did 2 on either side because I think that looks good. But like I said, you can do as much as you want. So there you have it. I have a purpose. And the reason that we made a rainbow today is because God gave Noah a purpose. You remember the first time a rainbow was seen was after the ark landed, and it was a promise from God to Noah that he would never flood the entire earth again. And so God gave Noah a purpose. God gave a lot of people in the Bible a purpose. And we all have a purpose and a reason for being alive. So don't forget, God made you for a reason. That's right. Wow, God. So we want to see your fun Fruit Loop rainbow crafts. So go ahead, post a picture on Instagram, Facebook. Use the hashtag we've been using all week, which is MPA Fun VBS, to share those rainbows with us. We want to see them all in one place. And don't forget that God made you for a reason. Bye!